Hi everyone, my name is Vinita Karan and today we will be solving this maths equation using Paul's four-stage model of problem solving, which firstly we will understand the problem, then we will devise a plan to solve our problem, thirdly we will carry out the plan, and fourthly we will go back and examine our solution to check if we are correct. So the actual equation is some tripods and bipods flew from planet Zeno. There were at least two of each of them. So tripods have 3 legs and bipods have 2 legs. So that is tripods have 3 legs and bipods have 2 legs, and there were a total of 23 legs. So the total was 23 legs. How many bipods were there and how many tripods were there? Find out two different answers. So we need to calculate our answer using two different problem solving methods. So furthermore, we also know that there were a total of 23 legs, and to find out like how many bipods and tripods were there. So few things that we need to remember in order to solve this problem is that firstly there were two types of pods, so tripods and bipods, and secondly there were the total number of legs the tripods have is 3 and bipods have 2 legs. So the third, we also need to know there were at least 2 of each, which means there were at least 2 bipods in each solution and there were at least 2 tripods in each solution. So let's work this out. So we are going to use our guess and check strategies to solve this problem. So the first one is we already have 2 bipods and 2 tripods. So we know that 2 bipods have 2 legs each. So that means we have a total of 4 legs there, and the tripods have 3 legs each, which means that we have a total of 6 legs here. So that gives us a total of 10 legs. That means 4 plus 2 equals 10 legs. So now what we need to calculate in both these solutions is that how many bipods and tripods make up the 13 legs. So that means we already have a solution of 4 legs in total of the first one and a total of 6 legs here, which gives us a total of 10 legs altogether. And we need to find out how many legs in total. There were 23. So how we need to do that is 23 take away the 10 legs that we already know. We need to find out 13 legs in each solution. So how are we going to find out the 13 legs? So let's do our guess and check method. We will continue adding bipods and tripods to see how many legs we are going to calculate. So if I add another, say 2 more bipods, which is a total of 10, will give me a total of another 4. We will have another 4 legs added to that. So to the 10 legs that we already have, we are going to have another 4 more legs, which will give us a total of 14. And if I add another 2, which will add up to, so 14, 16. Let's try one more and see how many we will get here now. So that will give us a total of how many? So we have gone up to 16, 18. And we will now add up another 2, which will give us a total of 20. So we now have a total of 20, and we all know that tripods have 3 legs. So we need to have a total of 23. So let's see, if we add up another 3 here, we will get a total of 23 legs. So let's now go back and check if we are right. So we have a total of how many bipods? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 bipods will have 2 legs, which gives us a total of 14 legs, and 3 tripods, which has 3 legs each. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have a total of 23 legs. So this is right. So we have our first solution we worked out. We need to have 7 bipods and we need 3 tripods. Okay, now we will move on to our next solution that we will work out, and let's see, we will still originally start with our 2 bipods and our 2 tripods. So this time, let's see if we can start off with tripods. How many like tripods and bipods we will end up having. So if we originally start off with the same way, so we are going to have 2 tripods and 2 bipods to start off with, which will still give us a total of 10 legs, which is 3 here and 2 legs in the bipod. So we still have our 10 legs, which we take away from our 23 legs, which we need to still calculate our 13 legs in total now. Okay, so as we know, let's add on to another tripod, so which will be 13 altogether now. And if I add on another one, so 13 plus 3 will be 16. So we have 16 altogether now. And if I add one more, so we have altogether now 15 legs in the tripods. So which gives us a total of 15 legs in tripods. So we have 5 tripods with 15 legs. So we still need to add up to our total of 23 that we are looking for. We already have 2 bipods which has a total of 4 legs. So if we add that to 15 plus the 4 is 19. So we need to have another. How many more bipods will we need to add? What is the difference? So 19 take away 13 take away 19 will give us what? So we need another 4 more legs now. Okay, let's see. So we need 2 more bipods to add up to that 4 legs. So which will be 2 bipods. So now we have 3 tripods which will give us a total of 15 legs. And we have 4 bipods which will give us a total of 8 legs. So 8 plus 15 equals 23 legs. So now we have done, let's go back and check our solution to make sure we are doing the right thing. So we have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you know your 3's timetable, let's count. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 15 legs. And your 2's timetable, which is 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's 8. 15 plus 8 gives us a total of 23 legs. So we have used we have used the Paulus 4-stage model of problem solving to find out 2 ways to find out the solution. So we calculated the bipods have 4 legs, the 2 bipods, and the 2 tripods had 6 legs. And the 2 different ways which we calculated was, the first one we had in the total, we had a total of 14 legs and 9 legs, which added up to the 23. And the second solution, which is up here, which we had 15 legs and 8 legs. So these were the number of tripods and bipods. Thank you very much for listening.